The murder probe of Sushant Singh Rajput. Remember, it's not a homicide case just yet. It is still suicide. But that has what got in frustration from Sushant Singh Rajput's family, whose lawyer yesterday, Vikas Singh, took to Twitter and said that they are frustrated that the CBI has not yet converted Sushant's suicide case into that of murder and homicide, saying that when the lawyer, that is Sushant's family's lawyer, spoke with some doctors at AIIMS, they said they were 200% sure that it was going to be, that it was indeed murder. Well, now in response to that tweet has come response from the lawyer of Rhea Chakraborty, who has pointed out, like several other experts in this case as well, that quoting conversations, even having conversations within an agency whose report could lead to one of the major findings in this case is quite a dangerous precedent. I believe we have Arvind now on the phone line with us to hear more about this case. Arvind, take us through what exactly are the allegations being made by both the lawyers in this case.
Sonal, yesterday, Vikas Singh, who was representing the family of Sushant Singh Rajput, he had made a tweet and he also addressed media yesterday 7 p.m. where he had said that one of the doctors who was part of the AIIMS panel medical board had indicated to him, based on the pictures that he sent to the doctor, that it is a case of strangulation by death and this is not a suicide. So relying on that particular conversation which he had with one of the doctors of the AIIMS medical board, he had asked CBI that the CBI should convert this case from a case of abatement of suicide to a murder case. So that was the statement that was given by Vikas Singh, who is the advocate for Sushant Singh's family. Today, advocate for Rhea Chakraborty, that is Satish Mansinde, he has come out strongly against this particular statement that was given by Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer, that is Vikas Singh, where he had said that how can coming to a conclusion based on the photographs is a dangerous trend. And he also went on to say that the family of Sushant Singh Rajput is trying to interfere with the investigation that is being done by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And he also said that because it is clear now that the family is in touch with one of the doctors who is part of the AIIMS medical board, and that's why he has asked the CBI to reconstitute this particular medical board, saying that the family is trying to influence this particular investigation. So he has asked the CBI to reconstitute the team. There should be a new medical board that should be constituted to review the autopsy and also viscera report and then give their own findings. So he has also said that it is the need of the hour that the investigation should be free and fair, and that's why he is saying that the CBI should reconstitute the entire team. So CBI is yet to respond to both the side allegations, but what our sources are saying is that the investigation is still underway and the CBI will be very soon calling the AIIMS medical board for the meeting so that the CBI can get to know what is the finding of the AIIMS medical board, and then the Central Bureau of Investigation will take a final call how to proceed ahead in this particular case.
All right. So those allegations are now leading to some demands on both sides as well. Thanks, Arvind, for joining us with the latest.